Welcome back to our channel. In this enhancing deeply knowledge of creativity, knowledge, ways of craftsmanship, evolve, join the species that captivate us, create space opens new adventure, creativity, longevity, and the elegance of the craftsmanship that define the art of artwork. Experience the seamless integration of form function as we showcase the versatility of wood designs in both residential and economical space, from the box furniture pieces that serve as focal points in interior designs, architectural elements that define the character of the space would transcend mere utility to become the testament of style of personification. Journey through the reclaim of imagination as we explore the endless possibilities of custom woodworking, either cutting one the kite, statement pieces, transforming space, backspoke, millwork in the art of limit boundaries of creativity. Let your imagination soars as we push the boundaries of design to creatively unforgettable space that reflect your unique vision of each. We celebrate artistry, craftsmanship, timeless beauty of wood designs, from the whisper of the gentle breeze through the trees of the inspiring majesty of the towering terrace. Let drive inspiration from the natural world of around as we create a work of art that stands the test of time, enduring lure of which. In the world of field with featuring tens of the disposable foods, food designs after timeless elegance that transcend the edges, admiring as we durable power for the craftsmanship and the inheritance beauty of a nature. Elegance living space of backbox, mere functionality of the embody artistry at the finest, either in the smooth polish finish to walnut coffee table of the rustic charm and reclaimed barn wood shelves. Each item's meticulous craft of the elevate your surrounding and they evoke a sense of warmth and aesthetically our skill strains and harmless of the integrate evoke your sense warm of the aesthetically our skill trained harness of the integrate beauty of the nature materials blending traditional techniques with modern integrate beauty of nature materials blending test of time of both designs We believe to power of the sustainable practice rounding to the materials responsible amazing waste the beauty of the wood and embark on the journey inspiration of craftsmanship that the enduring as we have trust from which creation are born. Welcome to the wood designs where artistry and nature coverage of the rich wood immerse yourself warm sustainable materials at wood designs we are more than just nature as we create a lasting elegance each piece is a test of time as we more just a nature as we creation timeless salute of the craftsmanships join us with journey as we discover and transformations where every grain tell a story. Thank you so much for watching this video.